What is up guys, TechRax here. In this video, we have the iPhone 16e, the brand new device from Apple that nobody talks about. And this phone only comes in two colors, black and white. Fun fact, it has a better battery life than the regular 16. And it has its own house-designed modem. Cheaper camera, look at this. Pretty cool though. Budget phone, $600. So, yes, it doesn't cost 400, unfortunately, like the SE, but pretty cool phone. Honestly, guys, I think it's a good phone. Look at that. I kind of miss that design, that iconic design. So in this video, guys, we're going to have the iPhone 16 Pro right here and the iPhone 16e. We're going to put both of these devices in liquid nitrogen for a couple minutes to see which one survives. So the iPhone 16e, Apple claims it actually has the strongest back glass of any smartphone. Strongest front glass. Is it actually stronger than the 16 Pro? How durable is it? The phone, to be honest, guys, it actually feels like a pretty premium phone. I would say for $600, it seems like a good phone, like a premium phone. You do have that notch. I'm not a big fan of that. Both phones are 100% battery health. They're both at 83%. We're going to put both of these phones in liquid nitrogen. We're going to see which one shuts off first, how they work in extreme freezing temperature. Here we go. Ooh, they're in. See what happens. Gonna give it a couple minutes. Both phones are on. I think they're trying to do some kind of airdrop or Bluetooth file transfer. Okay, I already see the color. Color disappearing. Color's gone there. 16e, they're still... Whoa, that's some extra bubbling. Ooh, still on. Okay, 16 Pro cracked. That one cracked, but you could still see something on there. What in the world? That is interesting. Oh my goodness. Guys, I used to do these tests back in the day. The older phones would work. They wouldn't crack like this. After 30 seconds, the screen would not crack. I'm surprised both devices, the screens are cracked. Just like that. Alrighty, as time passes by, these phones are actually crystallizing. They're becoming more icy over time. Just look at that view. I mean, these things are frozen. Wow, that is so freezing cold. Okay, 16 Pro, that's already a minus. Front screen completely came off. Whereas here, the screen is actually fairly intact. These phones are still cold, but I'm going to try and plug them in. So this 16e, the back was actually trying to come off. So I kind of popped it in. Really no promises. I mean, look at that front. I don't think the glass is actually cracked. It's just like something internal. I'm going to go ahead and try and plug it in. This is the 16e. Can't believe I'm doing this again. Phone is still really cold. Oh my goodness. That's a battery. This thing is turning on. Oh my goodness. No way, Apple logo. 16e. With the green and the white stripe. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my goodness, bro, this phone is working. What in the world? That is insane. That's actually crazy. Wow. This phone has this new cool look now. With the 16 Pro, the back did not try to come off. So overall, this seems like it's more solid. But that front did try and come off, and I kind of popped that back in, so... Okay. 16 Pro is plugged in. Let me give it some time. Come on now. Don't do this to me. It didn't take this long. In conclusion, the iPhone 16e is the winner. So we could see the 16 Pro, it's just glitching out. I've tried. I've given it enough time. It doesn't want to do anything. It doesn't want to turn on. Although this one looks more nasty. If you press the power button, look at that. phone works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more videos and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.